Okay, so now at the time of valedictory session of the 21 days National Winter School VetExcell 2.0, I would like to invite Dr. Sivaran Singh sir. He is a course director of VetExcell 2.0 and assistant professor veterinary microbiology college of uh, veterinary animal science Kishanganj Bihar for the vote of thank Dr. Sivaran sir.
हेलो, आवाज आ रही है?
हाँ सर, हाँ सर.
Good evening to everyone and welcome to thanks to Dr. Dinesh sir. Such a wonderful lecture. I have listened and I have gone through the details he covered. Actually, is very he is very expertise in nutritional sustainability means a perspective. So very international agency he is also covered like IFTA. So many of you don't know. You go through once and see the things. Okay. So someone has opened your mic, please.
I have muted sir. Continue please.
Okay. So hello. आवाज आ रही है?
हाँ सर, हाँ सर.
So welcome to everyone. Thanks to all. Respected Dr. Dinesh sir is here. He's I may consider as a chief guest because he's a senior nutritionist and very famous one in his field. So and other esteemed co-directors, honorable resource person from India and abroad, respected coordinators, conveners, organizing secretaries, dear participants, ladies and gentlemen from the national and international. On behalf of the organizing institution, Meadow Agriculture Society for Agriculture, Allied Science and Technology, Odisha, and it is also a charitable trust. And on behalf of post-actor, it is my proud privilege to propose the vote of thanks for this 21 days national and international winter school VetExcell 2.0 on the theme advancing innovation and sustainability for excellence in veterinary and allied sciences. So at the very outset, I execute my sincere gratitude to our respected chief guest, Dr. Dinesh sir, whose gracious presence and enlightening address have added great value to this program, and his lecture was very informative and uh, inspiring for the sustainability in perspective of nutrition, to work with a renewed commitment towards scientific excellence and national development. I express my deep sense of appreciation to our course co-directors, Dr. Deepak Kumar Chaurasia and Dr. Renu Singh, for their continuous academic guidance, strategic inputs, and strong support in shaping this training program into successful and impactful academic events. My heartfelt thanks go to our dedicated course co-directors, Dr. Ajay Kumar Rai sir, Dr. Kajal Kumar Jadhav, Dr. Amit, and Dr. Anamika Das for their tireless effort in planning, coordinating, and executing the sessions with precision and professionalism. I take this opportunity to sincerely acknowledge the contributor to our convener and organizing team, including Dr. Shashi Tikam, Dr. Waka Hardeep, Dr. Nanda Pratap Singh, Dr. Lipika Sharma, and Dr. Linda, and especially to Dr. Co-organizing secretary, Dr. Nilpender Singh, who took pain for such a wonderful organization of this training, whose dedication behind this scene ensured smooth conduct of this winter school over these past 21 days. We are deeply in debt to all our national and international resource persons who deliver highly enriching lectures and share their vast expertise on critical and contemporary theme such as delivered by Dr. Shivaraman, Dr. Vibha Yadav ma'am, Dr. Manjari Pandey, Dr. Srinivas Satyapati sir, Dr. Kajal Kumar Jadhav sir, Dr. Rojita, Dr. Salam, Dr. D.K. Verma sir, Dr. Snehal Chakravarti, Dr. Amit, Dr. Jayaprakash Yadav, Dr. Shyam Sundar Chaudhary, scientist from ICR, Dr. Nandar Kumar. So, and Dr. Nipendra and Dr. Lipika. So they covered broad prospect, and the topic was in the keeping mind is sustainability. So the all lecture is just surrounding around the sustainability. So today is the question that what you will do in the future if you are doing the research, you are doing the teachings. Is there any sustainability? Is there to feed the future for the such a large population of India also? For such a large population of animal also. So you have to maintain the sustainability for everyone and make available either it is animals, either it is a human, so that they can work together and they can provide the sustainable things to each other in the same in the same uh, perspective. So, and you know, the One Health is also going on. So, based on these themes, they completed innovation in veterinary diagnostic, therapeutics approach, disease management, wild health conservations, and One Health approaches, sustainable livestock and poultry production in rural livelihood enhancement, silk production, silk industries, and entrepreneurship and startup ecosystem in veterinary and allied sciences, fisheries and aquaculture innovation for nutritional security and blue economy. From the lecture was three or four lecture were from the fisheries also. So and the biotechnology and allied innovation for animal welfare and productivity. So your scholarly deliberation have not only strengthened the conceptual foundation of our participant, but also inspired them towards, inspired.
शिवरन सर।
हेलो, आवाज आ रही है क्या?
हाँ सर, हाँ सर।
कैमरा क्यों नहीं आ रहा है?
हेलो सर।
कैमरा आ रहा है? कैमरा नहीं आ रहा है क्या?
सर ऑन कर लीजिए।
ऑन तो किया है, पता नहीं क्यों ऑन हो रहा है।
नहीं सर।
भाई, मैं विजिबल हूँ क्या?
नहीं सर।
हेलो।
हाँ सर। आप विजुअल नहीं है,
विजिबल।
ऑडिबल है सर आप।
कैमरा तो मैंने ऑन किया, फिर क्यों नहीं आ रहा है? आपका वहां से कंट्रोल है ओपन करने का क्या?
बट मेरी तरफ से तो इधर से कुछ नहीं किया है। वीडियो सेक्शन तो ऑन है सर।
कंट्रोल प्लस बी। क्या हो गया इसको?
आप ट्राई करिए तो एक बार। दिख रहा है ऑप्शन?
इसमें क्रॉस ही आ रहा है, पता नहीं क्यों, ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है?
मेरी तरफ से एक्सेस है सर।
ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम, हम लोग कंटिन्यू करते हैं, कोई बात नहीं। ठीक है। सो योर स्कॉलरली डेलिब्रेशन have not only strengthened and conceptual foundation of our participants, but also inspired them toward innovation, research orientation, and entrepreneurial thinking in veterinary and allied sciences. So I extend my sincere appreciation to Meadow Agriculture for taking the lead in organizing this winter school and for its commitment toward capacity building, interdisciplinary research, and scientific dissemination in veterinary and life sciences. My special thanks go to the technical and administrative team for ensuring seamless virtual delivery of all sessions, promote communication and uninterrupted academic interaction throughout the program. I would also like to place on record our appreciation for all the participants who joined us from different parts of the country and abroad. Your active participation throughout questions and disciplined engagement made the winter school intellectually vibrant and truly meaningful. In conclusion, if I would say, this winter school has successfully achieved its objective of promoting innovation, sustainability, entrepreneurship, and scientific excellence in veterinary and allied sciences. Either it is fisheries, or it is agriculture, or it is veterinary. So they are interrelating each other in each lecture. Each speakers related the sustainability with each field, like veterinary, fisheries, and agriculture. I'm confident that the knowledge and skill gained during these 21 days will be translated into practical application for animal health, wildlife conservation, food securities, as today's lecture was about the food security in animal nutrition, and rural livelihood development. Once again, I extended my sincere thanks to all dignitaries, speakers, organizers, and participants who contributed directly or indirectly to the success of this program. With this, I would like to conclude the vote of thanks. Thank you all. Jai Hind, and over to my
Thank
Dr.
you so much, sir.
Please.
Thank you so much, sir. Now, I would like to invite for the vote of thanks Dr. Nirpendra Kumar Singh, uh, Organizing Secretary, VetExcell 2.0, and Assistant Professor, Veterinary Anatomy, College of Veterinary and Animal Science, Kishanganj, Bihar. You're most welcome, sir, in VetExcell 2.0 validatory session.
Thank you, sir. Respected guest, esteemed resource person, dear participants and colleagues, it's my great privilege as the organizing secretary to propose the vote of thanks for this 21 days Winter School 2.0 on advancing innovations and sustainability for excellence in veterinary and allied sciences. Over the past 21 days, we have successfully completed 45 in the lectures, each delivered with exceptionally clarity, depth, and commitment. On behalf of the organizing secretary, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to all our eminent resource persons who shared their expertise in veterinary diagnostic, therapeutics, wildlife health, livestock production, entrepreneurship, fisheries, biotechnologies, and allied sciences. Your insights have truly elevated the academic value of this program. We are deeply thankful to our coach director, Dr. Sivaran Singh sir, for the visionary leadership, guidance, and constant support in planning and organizing this winter school VetExcell 2.0. We also extend our sincere thanks to Meadow Agriculture and Society for Agriculture, Allied Sciences and Technology, Odisha, for their support and collaboration in making this program possible. Special thanks to the organizing committee members, technical teams whose hard work behind the scenes has ensured the smooth conduct of this program. Finally, I would like to thank all the participants for their involvement and commitment to learning, which truly gives meaning of these initiatives. I once again express our heartful gratitude to everyone who have contributed directly or indirectly to the success of this program. Wishing you all the productive and enriching learning experience. Thank you once again.
Thank you, Nirpendra, sir. Myself, Deepak Kumar Patel. I am presenting vote of thanks behalf of Meadow Agriculture. 21 days winter school, VetExcell 2.0. For the past 3 weeks, this program has served as a dynamic platform for academic interaction, innovation, and professional growth across discipline of veterinary, animal, fisheries, and allied science. Meadow Agriculture stands as an extensive and evolving platform dedicated to both learner and trainers. We regularly organize academic and skill-based program aligned with seasonal and educational requirement to promote knowledge dissemination and capacity building. In the edition of VetExcell 2.0, participants join from a diverse region across India as well as from international location. We are proud to share that 300 plus registration were received, reflecting the program academic value and global relevance. Uh, one few announcement from the our side. Hard copy of participation certificates will be dispatched via India Post after 25 March. Now, inviting all participants to share their valuable feedback. Your suggestion will help us enhance the quality and impact of our future academic initiative. Kindly you can say something. Now the session is open for participants. If anyone want to say something, you can give feedbacks in this sessions. Any participants? Any participants?
Hello, thank
Yes, sir.
you. Thank you, Meadow Agriculture, for this wonderful winter school. Um I like this winter school and benefited and gained knowledge very much. Thank you to organizing committee. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Any other who wants to say something? Okay, we extend our heartfelt gratitude to all participants, esteemed speakers, organizing team, academic and institutional partners, technical support team, promotion and coordinator team. Your collective support and dedication made VetExcell 2.0 a grand success. Few upcoming program which is organized by Meadow Agriculture. We are announcing a 10 days certificate course on data analysis, which is organized from 16 to 25 March 2026. And second one, 3 days national training on beekeeping, which is organized from 9 March to 11 March 2026. And upcoming major announcement, we are planning to organize a national clinical case conference in the upcoming month, maybe late March and early April. The brochure and detail will be shared soon in the group. So thank you once again for your active participation and continuous support. Stay connected with Meadow Agriculture for upcoming academic event, training, and professional development opportunity. So thank you, especially Sising sir and Nirpan sir. Sir,
Thank you, Deepak. Thank you. And
thank you,
it
sir.
was very wonderful. You know, so much speakers and participants benefited. That was only motive. So we fulfilled our motives actually across India and across abroad also.
So, so that can I conclude, sir? Thank you, sir.
Yes, conclude, please.